Probably should have had a shave. Or put some clean clothes on. My name is Elliot Marshall and I am a bodywork technician. All bodywork aspects of whatever you need really. Painting, building, fixing. I really enjoy it. I enjoy every day at BAC. It's true. I've had some boring ass jobs before, but I really enjoy it. My first car, really exciting, was a Seat Ibiza, and it was lovely, apart from every single thing on it broke at some point. I wasn't aware that you actually had to service cars back then, so the engine blew up, and before that I drove it into a house. I was taking a bit of a corner and it was a bit wet, and I thought it was a really good idea because the front tyres were really bald, so I thought I'd put them on the back so that the grippy tyres were on the front, but then it did mean that they didn't have any grip in the rear and they just lost. And then slight correction, wall, but it was like the start of my bodywork experience was driving that car into a house, because then I suddenly had to repair it and pretend I hadn't done it. Doing the reverse hill climb at Goodwood down the hill in the buggy has to be a highlight. There was a lot of screaming, a lot of whining from certain people. You're going too fast. Lots of drink spilling. Great handbrake turns though. Slightly wet grass. Got it out beautifully. And definitely better to do hill climbs down. You get a lot faster than going up. If I had to spec my mono, I think I'd have to I'd have to keep it carbon all over lower, visible carbon upper, but without a tint. So sort of semi-gloss, not high gloss, not matte finish on the upper with a matte lower, but just full carbon car, I think. So I built that, you know.